And now you have another series coming out. How exciting is that?
I'm really excited, man. This is like my first Hindi web show is coming.
Yeah.
So obviously excitement is there, and there's a nervousness also because uh, it's my first work. So I'm really nervous. Ki I don't know how people will receive it. I don't know. I hope they like it. They like my work. So I'm
Yeah.
really hopeful.
So what are you feel? What is your feeling about the web? How do you think it will react?
I feel it's a good platform. OTT opened up a lot of opportunities for newcomers. Also, I feel small town guys who's those who are acting well in their town, but because of lack of exposure, they are not able to reach to the right people. But because of OTT, I feel it's a great opportunity for them to show the world that there's a talent outside there. So it's a good thing. I feel that OTT is very necessary. Obviously, I'm coming from a very small family. I'm in a middle class family. I'm from Pune, so I've shifted to Mumbai long back, and I feel OTT is so necessary to show your talent, and it is helping me out to reach out to
Right.
new people, new avenues, new people, new talent also. So I get to learn a lot through OTT. I think OTT is very necessary, and it's a uh, लोगों ने भी बहुत अच्छे से वेलकम किया बिकॉज पीपल आर इवॉल्विंग बिकॉज ऑफ ओटीटी आई फील
Right. Right. So coming from a background that is not associated with the Hindi industry in any way, did so I mean, did you have to face any kind of struggle and the birthday welcoming, or are they still a bit apprehensive? What is your journey like?
I it was always smooth. I always go I always got
Yeah.
to meet a very nice people, and I'm really glad I'm part of this industry. I'm really glad because they
Yeah.
welcome me with a warm heart. So मुझे लगता है कि मुझे कभी दिक्कत ही नहीं हुई. I always found good friends, new connections. Um, they welcome me though I'm not a part of this industry because मेरे family में कोई नहीं है. But it is a warm welcome. I've done theater. तो 5 6 7 साल से मैं थिएटर कर रहा हूँ और पुणे से करता था. अभी मुंबई में करता हूँ. तो इट वाज अ इजी जर्नी. मुझे लगता है कि स्ट्रगल था. मतलब ऑडिशंस आई यूज्ड टू गिव ऑडिशंस एवरीवेयर एंड बट दे नेवर सेड दैट you are this is your dad, you have this accent, or like you have, it was always, they always welcome me. So I'm really glad, I'm really thankful to Mumbai people industry that they welcome me with open heart and warm heart.
Are you like coming back to Indore? Yes. Are you like Mahesh in real
No, no, not at all. I'm not a Mahesh. Mahesh is very spoiled brat, but he's a flamboyant, he's a playboy technically. But
life?
things happens. He fall in love. He fall for one girl, and his journey changes in the series.
Right.
But in
Right.
real life, I'm not that guy. I'm very small. I belong to middle class family, as I said. तो घर पे बहुत ही अलग तौर तरीके हैं. दे आर वेरी, ये मेरे पेरेंट्स की गलती नहीं होती. इट्स देयर अपब्रिंगिंग. That is how they try to raise their child. So it's very different for me. So महेश का रोल करने के लिए I feel, oh wow, I never I never had car, I never
Yeah.
had bike, and that girls around me and smoking, drinking. It's a very, yeah, it's a different character for me. So I watched few series for that. Like how these guys behave, or maybe how their gestures are. तो मैंने
Right.
ऑडिशन करते वक्त भी वही करने की कोशिश की ना. I think they liked me, so that is why I did Indori Ishq, I guess, and it
Yeah.
was a tough job for me.
Right.
So it was a tough job for me as an actor also. So I got to explore a lot of things. So I'm really happy to do Mahesh.
Right. So Mahesh is a character who is best friends with Ritwik's character. So
Yeah.
basically, he's like his backbone. So you said that you referred to some I don't know content. I don't know if you referred to films or series. So there have been in the recent past there have been a lot of movies, especially that have explored friendship, like
Okay.
um, take
Sorry.
Kartik Aaryan, Sanju. Um, Sanju,
Sanju.
can you hear me?
Okay.
Yeah, yeah. Sonu ki Titu ki Sweetie,
Yeah.
Kabir Singh. So there are these characters which have they have played like that. Were they kind of your inspiration? Have you taken inspiration from them? Where did you take the inspiration?
आई थिंक नो आई मतलब आपको शायद ताजुब की बात लगे, लेकिन आई हैवंट वॉच एनी ऑफ दिस फिल्म्स.
Oh, okay.
No,
Okay.
I haven't watched it. And I remember the time me and Ritvik met for the workshop of this series. On the very first day we connected, we tuned in the same channel. तो मुझे लगता है कि ये जो बात है वो सीरीज में काफी वर्क कर गई हम दोनों के कैरेक्टर के लिए, एंड फॉर द बॉन्ड ऑल्सो, बिकॉज ऑन द वेरी फर्स्ट डे वी शेयर्ड अ स्टोरी अबाउट आवर ब्रेकअप्स.
Oh,
वी
okay.
डिडंट वी डिडंट नो ईच अदर. मतलब ये
Yeah.
ऋत्विक बंदा क्या है, हाउ ही इज इन हिज रियल लाइफ, आई डिडंट इवन नो, इवन लाइक सेम विथ हिम. तो फर्स्ट डे पे एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करने के बाद वी हैड दिस डिफरेंट बॉन्ड, कि वी फेल्ट लाइक यार, not necessary कि you have to be friends for like last 6-7 years, but it's just that one moment you feel that अरे अपने टाइप का बंदा है यार, हो जाएगा. And it geared up, and I think you will see the amazing bond between Mahesh and Kunal in the series.
Yeah.
जो दोस्ती है उसको डांटना है, उससे प्यार करना है, no matter what he does, standing by him. तो जो दोस्त करते हैं इस
Yeah.
रियल लाइफ में, तो वही
Yeah.
मैंने किया है. एंड दैट्स दैट्स समथिंग, एवरीवन विल फील कि यार मेरा दोस्त भी ऐसा है, अरे यार मेरे साथ भी ऐसा हुआ था. और
Right.
शायद मैं महेश कुणाल को मैं सपोर्ट कर रहा हूँ, तो मुझे लगता है कि कुछ लोग ऐसे होंगे जिनको लगता है कि अरे यार मेरे लाइफ में भी ऐसा महेश है और मेरे
Yeah.
लाइफ में ऐसा कुणाल है. सो आई थिंक
Yeah. Yeah. So that is what my next question is कि आपके लाइफ में कोई ऐसा है who is like Mahesh?
who's like Mahesh? I won't say he's like
Yeah.
Mahesh. I think he's better than Mahesh.
Whoa, who is that?
He's one of my best friend. He stays in USA right now, so we haven't met since last 10-12 years. But he stays there, and we were in college together, and uh, he's we have this different bond. Again, same thing. We came to the college and clicked, and it went on because मैं बहुत बात करता हूँ, I'm continuously chirping, and he's like, and we were in engineering college. I was doing a diploma in computer technology. We were engineering college, and he was like, "Who's this guy? He keeps talking, and and all." And eventually, initially he used to stay away from me, and we became best friend like anything. मतलब हमारी पासपोर्ट की डेट सेम है, पासपोर्ट का नंबर मेरा 1345 होगा तो उसका 1346 है. हमारी
Oh,
हमारा लाइसेंस हमारा दोनों का लाइसेंस नंबर एक दूसरे के बाद है. देन he took Apache, and his bike's number was 9916. I took Apache, same gray color. My number was 9916. So we used to
oh
ride
my
together with the same number plate in the college. So
God. Okay.
it was something else. Friendship ki alag taur pe tha. Now he's in USA.
Yeah.
He bought a Volkswagen car, and
Hmm.
eventually I bought the same car, and we have
Oh,
same number because again, मतलब वो यूएस में है, अभी भी उसने सेम नंबर लिया है जो मुझे यहाँ पे
yeah.
है. सो
Wow.
we are grown ups, मतलब we are grown ups, still we do these things. मुझे लगता है कि that's our friendship intact, these small things, I
Yeah.
think. So
Yeah.
that's the bond you will find with the Mahesh and Kunal in the series, which is
True. Yeah.
very adorable, which is true, which is natural. तो वो नरीमन पॉइंट पे we were shooting, and तब तक तो मतलब ऐसा था कि शो चल रहा है, हाँ, और नरीमन पॉइंट पे शूट कर रहे हैं. It was a good feeling, and suddenly my bike came. So I
Yeah.
have this bike in the series. So my bike came, and
Yeah.
and I have the same bike which Munna and Circuit had, the same bullet with the sidecar
Okay.
in it. So
Okay.
like, what is happening? What is happening? So it was a, and same we मतलब मैं बैठा, ऋतिक मेरे बगल में बैठा, and we उस पे चलाते हुए हम दोनों वो नीचे तक गए जहाँ पे वो पत्थर उत्थर सब है. So
Yeah.
एंड आई वाज कटिंग, अरे यहाँ पे मुन्ना और सर्किट ने शूट किया, दोस्ती का, एंड वी आर शूटिंग देयर, एंड
Yeah.
यू नो I'm
Yeah.
so filmy, I'm so filmy guy, and I
Yeah.
get this good vibe यार, कि यार ये होना चाहिए यार, this is going to work, this दोस्ती, it has to be,
Yeah.
this is something else. So I have मुझे बहुत सारे अच्छे लोकेशंस एंड वहां पे शूट करना. दिस इज द मोस्ट memorable moment for me, because जहाँ पे मुन्ना सर्किट, some iconic friends, iconic दोस्ती,
Right.
and we got to shoot there. And again the coincidence was Ritvik did the film with Rajkumar Hirani ji, which is
Yeah.
Ferrari Ki Sawari.
Yeah.
So it's all connected, I felt.
So tell me, how was it working with Amit Kakkad? Can you hear me?
Oh my God. I love him. He's my one. He's one of my favorite director now. I mean, he's here. He's here. Top five में से है मेरे. Like I loved working. This guy is so cool, and
Yeah.
he's very open to suggestions. He let you perform. He gives you that space which actor needs. So मुझे लगता
Right.
है कि वो बहुत जरूरी है. And वो उनको वो अच्छा लगता है. आप जब अच्छे से perform करते हो, you get that essence of that scene, and you perform. So
Yeah.
even if the scene is done, I mean, if we are done with the lines, वो कट नहीं बोलते थे. वो कट नहीं
Eh,
बोलते थे. तो उसके आगे,
okay.
हाँ, तो उसके आगे मैं और ऋत्विक की भाई पहली बारी में कट नहीं बोला ना, तो हम
Huh.
थोड़े मतलब कट क्यों नहीं बोल रहे, कट थोड़ा ऐसे हो गए, लेकिन we continued
Yeah.
with some content what we felt like saying it out on that right spot, on that right movement. तो वो उनको और अच्छा पसंद आया. मतलब बोले कि भाई माइंड ब्लोइंग तुमने लास्ट में जो किया ना, दिस इज गुड.
Yeah.
ही हैज सच अ, ही इज सो एनर्जेटिक, इट गिव्स यू, मतलब आपके पास 10 है ना, तो उसको वो 100 कर देंगे एनर्जी वाइज. ही इज लाइक दैट.
Wow.
So amazing working. I'm really glad I met him and I get to work with him. Thanks to MX, thanks to Samit sir. I'm saying it again, but I'm
Yeah.
really glad. I'm really glad and glad to work with them out.